Alright, so due to some technical glitch, it was actually abruptly stopped. So let me now conclude it. So as I was talking about the land revenue system, there were three systems: permanent settlement, then we were having Raitwari and Mahalwari system. Now let me explain to you Raitwari system. See, Raitwari system was functional in South and Southwest India, introduced by Reed and Munro. Under this system, the Rayats or the peasants, they were made the owner of their land, but only on paper. Theoretically, they were at the mercy of the Britishers. If they were unable to pay their rent, then they would be easily displaced under the sunset law, which used to make it compulsory that by the dusk of the day, a person has to pay the rent by hook or by crook to the company, to the Britishers. So this system of Rayatwari was there, and on the Rayatwari system, it was again the land on the land revenue. The rent was collected; it was not a tax. So the difference between rent and a tax, I hope all of you must be well aware of. A tax that you pay in lieu of certain services, in lieu of certain, let's say the deliverable services, let's say like schools, colleges, or maybe the defense services. On the other hand, rent is something that you have to pay in the context of using someone else's property for your own benefit. So exactly that was the concept of rent. So exactly Rayatwari system was that. In Mahalwari system, it was charged in the on the you can say unit of villages only. So the village headman was supposed to collect the revenue on the behalf of the company and has to hand over to the company. So that was Mahalwari system. This system was very much functional in Ganga Valley, northwest provinces, central India and Punjab. So this was the Mahalwari system, which was charged on the village level system. So Mahalwari system was also known as a modified Jamindari settlement. Alright. So this was also periodically revised by the Britishers in terms of charging a rent from the unit of village in terms of their land revenue. Fine. So this was the system of their land revenue concept altogether, and these three concepts all were useful or all were being used by the Britishers to exploit the resources of agriculture or agricultural resources of India. Fine. So this is how the chapter number 3 concludes the entire story. In our next video, we will enter into chapter number 4 and 5. See, chapter number 4 we will discuss briefly. Why? Because chapter number 4 it discusses about the administrative structure, like of course the police, judicial system, civil service. All right, how they actually provided them the institutional base to further expand their